videos anymore because on the news I saw that there's a war against Israel and Iran. Yeah guys, I will not post videos anymore because there's a war going on in the Middle East. Y'all heard that news? Yeah, y'all heard me. There's a war against Israel and Iran in the Middle East. They keep launching missiles in their city, causing the United States and other countries to join the allies in Israel and Iran. So yeah guys, also guys, when you during night time before you go to sleep, please pray that Israel and Iran will stop the war so that both of them will bring love and peace. So stay safe guys. The people who are in Israel and Iran, all of you are screwed and all of you have to survive and evacuate. If the people who are in Israel and Iran, stay safe guys.